Mtongwe wa chama cha DCP na ulengi unayemunini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua ni wakulia taalamu na asilimama kwani methiwe mayiko ni vyuma unduni mauteti na utongoi aithingilila kana no mamatona kutethia nthi ya Kenya no manyi ula menagwo aina inambokani mwe yangemisha watho ila yibikitwo ni asilimama kwani kumelembetani ya Central Kenya. Gachagua ni waelesa tabethitwe na yanye nene ya utongoi kisioni kiu ndongoi ya Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nake aikulia vethiwe na ngwatanio ya kwete utheu wa utongoi vamwe na muungamo mulumu wa nthi ya Kenya na ala methitwe maithiute na katiba mayendete nthi ya Kenya indi ala methitwe maikatia ni mailite kukathiwa. Meshak David na Mauvo.
Utongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni wamenda ataalamu kimeo kwikonia maunduni masiasa na utongoi ayasia kana ni mamatonya kusubia nthi kuwa ueleu na utuika aine na nthini wa chathi cha gemishia watho festival chathi cha kimila kala cheta vamwe ataalamu mia kana lawyers kuma ilembetani ya Central Kenya kutana na kutambua utio wo munini watene wa Musumbi ni waisive na yanya inene ya utongoi kisioni ki ila jumanitwe na ataalamu kulia kwikonia maunduni mautongoi na kunenga mwanya ateti matatonya utongoi kutongoesia.
We are in trouble because we elected Tugege to the National Assembly and the Senate. That is why we are in trouble. If the people in this room had offered themselves for election, like Gacheri, like Kagusha, like Wakili Mureu, our community will not be in the shit we are in.
Gachagua anonengani engelekanio ya mututi ya Raila Odinga aimukathi ya nundu wa utongoi wake musio ilembetani ya Nyanza ayasia naona kwithwa ndasinda usumbi nona thukumana kila silikali na kuikithia nwa kwa atakelo kwenda na munanundu wa mbunge mamulengo wake alama na ina akili na mipango misio na kuni kuona ni avata wa ataalamu maunduni mautongoi.
I had two things about that old man, and I'm really very touched by his leadership. Look at the political party that he built called ODM. A strong political party that though he has never been elected president, he is able to get into every government and get what he wants. Because he has a strong political party. But most importantly, his political party, all the legislators are top-notch lawyers. These are the people who have protected Raila Odinga for 30 years.
Galiko yake mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ayumia wetano wa kukwatana no kana kwete umwe silikalini yelesya na ala methitwe methi utena katiba mayendete nthiyo indi ola meka maundu mati miyao.
I remember that my friend Raila, may God rest his soul in peace, had agreed that they would produce Professor, I forget the name now, the professor who is a member of IBC Selection Commission, and then Koki Mulu was supposed to be in that. They wakachenga. Now we have a commission because you are sitting pretty. Now as we move on, I want to ask that all of you, living the spirit of the young Kenyans who have been abducted, put in those boots, charged under Potter, prevention of...
Atongoi yangi alame ivikete chathini ki ni mutongoi wa chama cha DP Justin Muturi ambunge kivadhukanio maseneta na ndongoi ingi kivadhukanio vilingi wa Mauvo. Mutongoi TV ni yeto wa Meshak David.